Hi guys, it's Laura Lynn. Welcome back. And today, before I get started, I wanted to say a couple things. Recently, I have hit about 330 subscribers, I believe, and I'm super pumped. Thank you guys. I appreciate it so much. So I also wanted to give a big thank you and shout out to Good Grub Almighty. Thank you, Vincent, for all the help that you've given me and shown me the ins and outs here on this YouTube world, and I really, really appreciate it. You're awesome. So anyway, today what I'm going to be doing is unboxing something I bought a few days ago that will help me out on this YouTube journey. I'm super pumped. So what I bought is, drumroll, a tripod. Oh. I'm gonna get a drink real quick. So I'm gonna unbox this and kind of, show you guys what it's all about. This is kind of all new to me, so I'm pumped. Says, oh, look at that cardboard box, which is totally fine because I'm not keeping it or anything. It says it 50-inch extends 15.75 inches to 50 inches. It's pretty cool. It says for cameras, smartphones, and GoPro. And it says it had, right here, it says it has a swivel head, bubble level. That's legit. Non-slit rubber feet, adjustable height, mounts most SLR and DSLR cameras, GoPro cameras, and smartphones, which is good. It says the basics: pics or it didn't happen. Take your selfie game. Sorry, it's kind of funny. Take your selfie game to the next level or capture the best shots of your team in action with 50-inch tripod. The customizable mount attachment fits most SLR and DSLR cameras, GoPro cameras, and smartphones, making it versatile. Must have for any selfie or action enthusiast. Take as many pics as you want. These legs never get tired. Focus on, however you say that, not repeat it. The specs, bum bum bum. It says supports up to 4.4 pounds, weighs 1.1 pound, leg braces for added stability, extends 15.75 inches, so on and so forth, like I read earlier. What is in the box? And this is, it's not very big, but it's pretty cool. So it looks like it might stow away pretty easy. It says what's in the box is one tripod, one quick release mounting plate, one smartphone adapter, one GoPro mount. Boom shakalaka, 1 year warranty. Pretty cool. So let's get to opening. I'm so excited. I've been wanting one of these, and here I am. Nothing in there. It's all in one package. Seems pretty legit. I'm so excited though. Some nice plastic there. Pull this out. There's the tripod, it looks like. And this looks like the mounts that it said it came with, the smartphone and the other deal. Ooh, interesting. And here is the instructions. Just seems like it's pretty easy to put together without them, but we'll look at it. So excited. See, this right here is what I got it for, because that's what I use. Okay, I guess I should try to look over this real quick. Quick release using 3-way 4. Well, you know what? It just really kind of tells about it all. It doesn't really say this is how you put it together or what you got to do. So, oh, no precautions. Okay, well, I guess we don't need that. So I'm going to open the little tiny pieces. I like that it's Ziploc, so I can put it back in there if I've got to, so I don't have to really lose any of the pieces. Let me just look at this again. What is this? Not real sure where that goes. Oh, I'm wondering maybe if it's to this. Obviously. Okay, we'll get to that. I can figure this out. So, bam! Look at that. That is so cool. I'm so excited. Looks like you untighten it here. Oh, okay. It goes up. That far. You can tighten this to keep it in place. I'm not going to do that right now. Well, I'll tighten it like that. Oh, that opens in and out. That's pretty nifty right there. Let's look at the legs. So the legs have these deals here for each set of length, I guess you would say. You can lock it back. Boom, look at that. Lock it back. And one more go. This is so cool. Look at that. It's like from here to like the length of my arm. Sweet. You can do all three of them that way. I'm wondering how tall that looks. That's about standing from the floor to here, so I'll stand up. Comes up to here on me, so that's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna put that back down. Oh, that one, and then that one. The leveler. It's right here, which is pretty cool. It's got the handle here. Put it where you want it. Let's try this out. This is the smartphone deal. I'm hoping this stretches out. Oh, look, it does. Okay, I was gonna say, because my phone is not that, it's not that tiny. So, yeah, it's got the retractable thing on the inside. That makes it easy. Okay, let's try to set this up, put this on here real quick. I'm wondering. Oh, look, that comes up. That's why that opens. So, this right here, this comes off. So it was like, keeps it in place. Open that and pop it out. Sweet. So now I gotta figure out how to attach the phone part. Oh, there we go. And it looks like it just I don't know. It's screwing in. That's all the way tight. Let me look at the pictures here to see. I mean, it looks legit to me. Does that look like that would be right? We'll be able to loosen that up. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna play with it and see how well it really works, you know, and whatnot. And I'm super excited. I'm gonna be. Well, anyway, so I'm so excited. Have I said that? Because I'm excited. I'll figure all these pieces out. I think that's how it must go. So guys, thanks for watching. This is my second legit unboxing video, so thanks for bearing with me. I'm still learning everything. I want to say I appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm going to be doing a video soon of me cooking, which I'm pumped about because I like eating. So I'm going to be using this bad boy. Well, anyway, have a great weekend, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye.